Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to download the ParkMobile app on device. So if you have not installed the ParkMobile app on a device and you want to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now before installing, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data to install it on a device. So after connecting to Wi-Fi and any kind of data, you need to simply open the App Store on a device. And if you are using Android, you need to simply open Play Store on a device. So after that, you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar. You need to click on the option of search and search the ParkMobile app. So simply search ParkMobile and click on the option of search. So after doing all of it, you'll see the option of ParkMobile, Park, Pay and Go. So click on the option of Get, which is highlighted on blue. And if you're installing it for the first time, then it asks you to double tap on the power button, or it may ask you for your Face ID. So click on the option of install. By doing all of it, you will be able to install the ParkMobile app on a device. So that's it. That's how you can install the ParkMobile app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.